In this lecture, we are going to learn about single step or one step equations. So single step equations are in the form of Ax equal to b. Here a is the coefficient, x is the variable and b is the constant. It can also be in the form of x over a equal to b, where 1 over a is the coefficient, x is the variable and b is the constant. So let us start with first type of single step equation, which is in the form of Ax equal to b. Now why we call it an equation? Because Ax is an expression and b is second expression and both are equal to each other. So the example of it will be 6x equal to 12. Here 6 is the coefficient, x is the variable and 12 is the constant. So let us solve it and find the value of x. 6x is equal to 12. In this case, we always divide both sides by the coefficient. So here the coefficient is 6. So both sides are being divided by 6. 6x is equal to 12. Dividing both sides by 6. 6x over 6 is equal to 12 over 6. So x is equal to 2. And we can check our answer also. 6 times 2 is equal to 12. Another question here. Negative 4x is equal to 24. Dividing both sides by negative 4, because negative 4 is the coefficient. So negative 4x over negative 4 is equal to 24 over negative 4. So x is equal to negative 6, because negative 4 over negative 4 will be 1. 24 divided by negative 4 will be negative 6. Let us consider another example here where both sides are negative. Negative 7x is equal to negative 28. Dividing both sides by negative 7. Negative 7x over negative 7 is equal to negative 28 divided by negative 7. So x is equal to 4. So the rule here is we divide both sides by the coefficient. Second type of single step equation is x over a equal to b, where 1 over a is the coefficient, x is the variable and b is the constant. The rule which we use here is called cross multiplication or cross multiply. So this is in the form of a over b equal to c over d. If there is no addition and subtraction term with either of the expression, so what we can do is we can cross multiply. There is no other term with it. B can go on the other side and D can go on the other side. So A times D is equal to C times B. So basically the numerator and the denominator can be interchanged on either of the side and they can be converted into multiplication or division. So again, D goes on the other side, it's being multiplied with A. B goes on the other side, it gets multiplied with C. So it's written down as A times D equal to C times B, or we can even write it in the other form, like taking A in the denominator and C in the denominator. So 1 over B times C equal to 1 over A times D. This thing will be more clear when we will be working on this example. So here we have an example, m over 9 is equal to 5. So m is equal to 9 times 5. 9 goes on the other side, gets multiplied by 5. So m is equal to 5 times 9. So m is equal to 45. Another question, 3t over 2 equal to 5. So 2 goes on the other side, gets multiplied with 5. So 3t is equal to 10, and then we can use the same rule which we did in the last question or last type of questions, which is dividing both sides by the coefficient. So 3t over 3 is equal to 10 over 3. So t is equal to 10 over 3. So here is another type of question, negative 4 over 5n equal to 7. So we are taking negative 4 on the other side in the denominator and 5 on the other side in the numerator. So n is equal to 7 times 5 divided by negative 4. That is equal to negative 35 over 4. So this is how we solve the single step equations. And these are the two types of single step equations. Thank you.